morning. Good morning, people. So, anong ginagawa namin ngayon ni Pao? Magawa kami ng aming homemade Christmas tree. Kahit na meron kami rito. Very big Christmas tree. We're gonna make homemade. Right, love?
Yeah.
So, we're almost halfway here. Ang ginagamit namin ay pipe cleaner. Okay. Nagsimula kami ng 1 p.m. At our target is to finish it at 5 p.m. Oh no, at 3 p.m. We have 20 minutes left. So far, this is what we have. Look.
Enough, right?
Yeah. Well, we have to manage to make it stand, no? Ano?
Yeah.
Guys, tingnan nyo na ang aming Christmas tree. Not yet done, but look. Nice, no? Magawa naman tayo ng decor para sa ating Christmas light. So, may nakita akong ganitong design. Marang question mark. So, yan nakita kong pang ano. So, bar pipe cleaner man siya. Yan. Arranging. You're gonna put a fake snow now. Is it gonna worth it? What the heck is that? I think you have
Can be
to...
bad.
I think, yeah. Maybe not as good as I thought. Oh, there better, yeah. 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 Good thing you didn't put first in
Yeah,
the...
that's why I want just like this.
Nice. These are done. Look at there. Little city here. We have a two small house, me and Pao house. We have our own house there. And then... and then... At nandito kami ngayon ni Pao sa park. Kakain kami ng fish. Tingnan nyo yung dala namin. Fish. Dinala to ni Pao. Bagoong. Bagoong. Uy, may dalang bagoong. Saka suka. Very prepared. Uy. Ay na, paprika. Wow. Let's eat. Solo palta, arroz lang.
Yeah?
Arroz.
Arroz so yeah, I could put arroz.
Missing the rice. Oh my, I'm so yummy. Love, what the heck? Picharon.
Very crunchy. A bit maybe too much chicharron, but maybe too much corn a bit.
You want no more?
Onion.
Hindi nagdala si Pao ng rice because I didn't tell him. No, love. Yes. You. Yes. Right, love? After drinking water.
But I eat some when I was cooking.
So, dito kami ngayon. Papunta kami ng Papunta na kami ni Pao ng Primark kasi tapos na kaming kumain ng aming snack, a fish snack. Fish snack. So, punta na kami. Maglalakad lang kami kasi malapit lang naman yun. Mga 15 minutes of walk. So, better mag-ano na lang, maglakad kesa magsakay ng bus kasi traffic everywhere kasi nasa sentro tayo. Tingnan nyo, ang cute ng bus dito. Lalo ito, isn't it the mini bus very cute for you also?
Yeah, but like, where it go? What to do?
Inside here.
It's electric, right?
Inside the street. Look at the mini bus. Very mini. Like how many seat only? 2, 4, 6, 8,
But it's electric,
10.
right?
Yeah. Oh, you know, I don't know.
I think so. It's electric.
Tingnan nyo, may nakailaw na yung ano nila rito. Kasi ano yan, 4 season. Yung isang araw mo lang dyan, 1,000. Yan yung isa sa pinakamahal na hotel in the world, I think. I'm not sure. But yeah, 1,000 one night there. 1,000 euro eh. So, yan ang pinipicturean na nila. Dito kami dumaan ng Pao na side kasi dadaan kami dun sa may pinaka-sentro. Super dami ng tao. As in, super dami. Anyway, andito na tayo sa pinaka-street, sa Gran Via. So, dito, sa Gran Via sa Madrid, dito mo makikita yung mga branded clothes, branded things.
So many people in McDo.
Right? As nakikita nyo ngayon, weekdays ngayon, Monday,
We haven't
alas,
been in Gran Via together for
long
a
time.
long time.
Alas 12:30 pa lang, pero ganito na karami tao. Minsan, you're gonna get to what you're gonna wonder, love. These people, they are all in vacation. Huh?
Yeah.
What they're doing? They don't have work.
Oh, it's work time, right? Still, yeah.
Yes, it's very early. And
Yeah.
imagine if it's not after 4 p.m., we need to get out of here
It
before.
doesn't have a work.
No, we need to get out of here before it's 5 because at 5 p.m. it will be like too much. It's not even 5 p.m. and there's so many people now. So, imagine mamaya pagkatapos ng work ng mga people, super yenisimo. Because it was like
So it's
too much
entire building,
people.
right?
Yeah, this entire
I don't
building.
we didn't really
It's
explore
building
everything
on
there
the-
for sure.
Primark, yeah. Look, mango, pull and bear, but Primark, this.
Pull and beer is nice, right?
Uh-huh.
We bought it in Poland.
Yeah, pull and bear, it's very nice. The brand, Arai.
So, where are we going now?
We're going to tour here, this.
It's Tour me.
Okay.
No, love, I haven't been here. Many people did not even come here. I haven't.
Because there was so many people here all the time. So, pakit na kami ni Pao.
Going back.
Yeah, too much people. Imagine, 2 p.m. and this is how many people. Oops. So, malaki tong Primark dito sa Spain. Kung alam nyo yung Primark, syempre alam nyo kasi meron sa ating Primark. Love, do you know Primark? There's also in Philippines and in other parts of
Really?
Europe. Yeah.
No,
You don't have it in Lithuania, no?
I did.
No?
I have.
I think you don't have it in Lithuania. Okay. So, may mga bagay man sa bahay, labo. You want to buy something. I think it's somewhere here. Okay, tingnan muna natin yung map para makita namin nasan yung
Mapa.
mga bolsa, mga bag.
Niños known as the mujer.
Ah, dos.
Dos.
Estamos en tres. We are in tres.
Sí,
So,
sí,
dos.
dos.
Bajamos.
O uno mujer.
Mujer. No, mujer.
Dos. Vamos aquí.
Yun yung design. Ito na yung pinakataas. But, wala kaming bibilin doon kasi puro pang lalaki. Wala naman kaming kailangan ipaw na gamit pang lalaki. Naman yung gusto mong mag-film dito ng aesthetic pero saka makapag-film ka rito ng aesthetic sa dami ng tao, mag-visit ka lang. Mawala pa yung camera mo, char. Tayo, manunod tayo ng Christmas lighting dito sa Seoul. Tada! Super dami ng people, diba? No, papunta doon yung mga people eh. Andito yung Christmas tree sa harap. Ano bang meron? Nangyayari? Bakit ganon? Ay, kakahilo. Kasi, I'm the only one getting dizzy with this kind of people.
I'm kind of getting this out.
Right, like going. I'm getting dizzy because it's like going back and front. There's many movement all at once. It's very, ano ba? Very intense. Kaya pala doon papunta yung mga people, it's because there will be a show. A lightning show. A light show.
Fireworks?
Not really. Ay, can be, yeah. Oh my, we're too late. Kadami ng people dito, oy. Nakikita ko mga ulo lang nila eh.
Fueron calor, aliento y cuidado. 3 llaves para abrir el invierno.
Yeah. Can you get me? Hold my camera. Yeah. Hold my camera.
I'm holding it.
Ah.
I'm holding it.
Ay.
Just-
Okay. Tignan niyo kung paano kami mamasok dito, di ba? Mga tama dumikot. Yeah, ngayon na nga pumunta. Di ko na natapos-tapos kasi nga, super dami ng tao. Ayoko ng gano'n, nakaka-stress. Hindi mo mapil yung essence ng Christmas. May stress ka pa kasi parang nasa ingkan.
Properly.
Hi! So ngayon, magbabalot naman kami ng regalo ni Pao at ang dami namin babalot. Ito yung regalong ibabalot namin. At meron akong sahig na karton kasi malamig ang sahig. So, para makapagbalot, nalagyan ko dito para comfortable. Oh, I think maybe better like this so it's more clear, no? Okay, let's start love. Ouch! First thing, ito yung gift namin. Look at my gift to my my mama. And there's another one here. But this is for my Ate Cecil. This is
And Mama argue with Papa before the Christmas and
so cute. Namo. You're going to wrap a watch. Kanino kaya to? So, hindi kasi sanay si Pao. Hindi sanay mag-wrap ng gift si Pao. So, ako yung nagra-wrap, tapos si Pao yung tiga gunting ng tape. Pero, di naman ako magaling din mag-wrap actually. Ano lang din ako, patcham. As long na nakabalot, no? Ang mga itsura niya. Ah! Oh no. So, actually, first time na magsi-celebrate together ang family ni Pao sa family. Sa amin dito, sa aking family, kay Mama. At yeah, magkasama. So, first time magsi-celebrate together. Not really celebrate the Noche Buena kasi darating yung magulang ni Pao ng 25 ng maga. At ang Christmas Eve ay 24. So, ayun. But, the same time still, makapunta sila ng Christmas dito. At si Pao, first time namin makapag-celebrate juntos. It's our first Christmas together, no?
Yeah. And we'll be with my family.
Verdad, no?
What the heck?
Hmm? That's why I'm doing it
No, the first Christmas together and me also will be
with all your family.
with my sister and Mama.
No?